this barbecue sauce is spicy and sweet, so it gives a velvety texture and deep flavors of sweet and heat. Promise. Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to organize and put away our groceries. Next, we are going to cook some healthy appetizer made of zucchini and oatmeal. We fall off the bone tender ribs and rub in a rich, spicy, smoky barbecue sauce. So love, let's get started. I went to Trader Joe's and Aldi for my grocery shopping. When I got home, I put all my groceries on a counter and emptied the rest of the fridge. This is going to trash. I forgot my coffee. Once I remove all the old groceries from the fridge, I'm now just cleaning and sanitizing the fridge to prepare to reorganize and put back the groceries all together in the fridge, if that makes sense. Next, I'm taking the fridge compartments to the laundry room so I can clean them. It's more convenient for me to do that in the laundry room because I have a utility sink in the laundry room and it would be a complete mess if I tried to clean them in the kitchen sink. Well done, everything's clean. It's time to reassemble all the pieces and put the groceries up.
Her alarm goes off and she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more, but tells a lot of stories about a youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But her shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old.
Guys, this recipe is very simple, affordable, healthy, and delicious. I was working for hours from grocery shopping and putting groceries away and cleaning and cooking. I was pretty much tired. And this is the moment that gave me life back. It's much from my husband. Guys, I'm feeling invigorated and I love to clean as I go. I literally cannot function with a cluttered place. It gives me anxiety every time.
Our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so they got old. Don't stay the same, you know. I just hope there's
It's not bad.
still be told. Shadows play a trick on my eyes. Creatures in my bedroom at night.
We are going to prep our ribs and make sure to dry them as much as possible. Next, just season black pepper, salt, and garlic powder.
Though I could be better than I've ever been.
Next, we're gonna dab some extra virgin olive oil and massage the meat very gently.
Should be better than ever when I see my loved ones every day. I know for every laugh we share today, there'll be a teardrop later on. I know the more I have, the more I have to lose, the less I feel I've won. I've been having nightmares. I've been having nightmares. I've been having nightmares.
Our meat is tender and flavorful, and now it's time to enrobe it in a rich, spicy, smoky barbecue sauce. Guys, I did go very hard on the barbecue sauce. This barbecue sauce is spicy and sweet, so it gives a velvety texture and deep flavors of sweet and heat. Promise. thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, be the best version of yourself. Au revoir mes amours.